am going to make an easy designer purse for our dolls using printables from our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. We made 3 prints inspired by well-known designs. We took a few artistic liberties. After printing out our printables, let's make a purse using this one. Cut 1.5 inches from the sides of the center line so you get a 3-inch wide rectangle. Turn it over and fold over the sides so they overlap, making a trifold. I want the stripe to be down the center on the other side. Lay the paper so the stripe is facing down, fold it in half, open it up, then take the end and fold it to the center. Repeat on the other side, take the ends and fold them to the center again. On both sides, fold it in half to make sure everything lines up. Take thin brown ribbon, cut a piece that is longer than the paper, place a jump ring on the end, fold over the ribbon, and glue it in place. Fold over the ribbon, use a little touch of glue to hold it in place. Remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Repeat on the other side, then fold over the paper and glue it in place. Cut an 8-inch piece of chain, open the jump ring, add the chain, close it, find a small gold button, remove the back loop if needed, glue the button to the front to make a Gucci-inspired purse. That looks great with any outfit. Let's make something with the leftover paper. Cut off the margins to get a rectangle, fold over the sides about 1/2 inch on both sides. Fold over, cut on the crease to have 2. Unfold the sides and fold over the top and bottom. Fold it in half. Fold the bottom edge 1/4 inch. So you now have a 1/2 inch fold in the center. Make small cuts at the crease to make tabs. Use glue to glue down the top and bottom edge. Cut cording. Glue the ends onto the paper to make handles on both ends. Fold over the side and glue it to the tab, then glue the other side on top. Pinch the sides to make a shopping bag. And since we cut the paper in half, we can make 2 shopping bags. Can't wait to put these in my closet! Speaking of closets, take recycled paperboard, draw rectangles around the sides, cut it out, fold on the lines, tape the sides together at the corner to make a box. Trace around it on paperboard, add a little extra, add rectangles to the sides, cut it out, fold, and tape the sides to make a lid. Glue on and cover each piece with the printable to make a storage box for our dolls. Add tissue paper, place your fresh shoes inside, giving the dolls a designer shoebox. We can make more to organize our closet and keep our shoes nice and tidy. Completely cover a lid to hold jewelry and accessories. Cut a 2 by 2 inch square, fold it in half, open it up, fold over the sides to meet the center crease. Use a glue stick to glue them in place. Take our printable money, place it in the middle, fold over the excess on the sides, remove the money, open it up, fold in the sides, add glue just on the tab, then fold it over and press until dried. Once dried, you'll have a little pocket where you can place money inside and fold over to make a wallet. You can make the wallet wider to cover the bills. I just like it a little shorter so the money is easier to remove. With this fun printable, your dolls can go designer crazy. Wow! Think of all the things we could cover! Thank you for joining us while we made some designer-inspired stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at myfroggystuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
want to give a shout out to Adriana Carter. What's up? Gucci and SpongeBob? Hello, trendsetter.